Welcome to my bedroom. I like to think that it's very serene and lovely since I live in this luxury apartment. There is a built-in waterfall. Let me show you guys my waterfall. This is water pouring right as we speak from the wall. This is all water. This is all water. This is all water. Maybe you can hear it too. There's a spider. Water, water, water. Splash, splash, splash. This is all water, getting worse and worse and worse. This is the original wall. As you can tell, that it is leaking. They fixed it. It sprung on the other side. It is still leaking as well. Weird black stuff. Not sure really what that is because it's even there when it's dry. Could be mold. Could be something weird. Not really sure. It smells like mold right now. I wonder if you guys can actually see it streaming right now. The water is actually streaming down to the end. This is brought to you for your enjoyment only. I find it pretty funny. Right back to the waterfall. I hope you enjoyed this little serenity that I could bring to your house. Yeah, don't live here. So much water. So much water right now. We can have a pool party in my bedroom. All of you guys could come. This is freaking ridiculous. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Alright, on a waterfall.